Hello children, welcome back to Social Online class. So in the previous session we have learnt about three types of road signs. What are all the three types? They are mandatory road signs, cautionary road signs and informatory road signs. So now we are going to learn about the signals. Okay, so these are all the three colors of signals which we have to follow while we are walking or else driving on the road. Okay, so the first color is red, as you know, and the second one is, so we'll pronounce it as yellow, but it's wrong. We should tell it as amber. Okay, and then the next color is green. So what are all the colors which is used in signals? That is red, amber and green. So if the traffic signal is in red in color, what we want to do? If it is in red in color means we want to stop. We should not move our vehicle. We should remain in stop condition. Okay, so there will be a line on the road. So all the vehicles should obey the traffic signal, and if the traffic signal is in red in color, we should stop our vehicle and we should wait for it. Okay, and then the next color, that is yellow. Okay, but we have to tell it as amber. The light color is in yellow in color, but we have to tell it as amber. So amber means caution. So what we must be prepared. We must ready to go. Okay, so amber means caution, be prepared. Okay, and then the last color is green. So if the traffic signal shows the green color light, what we want to do? We want to move. Green means go. So if the light color changes from red to green, we want to move. While it is red in color, we want to stop. If it is in amber, we want to be prepared, that is caution. If it is green in color, we want to move. So these are all the signals. These are all the colors of the signals which is used in traffic, used to control the traffic. Okay, we'll recall it once. So red means stop. And then amber. Amber means caution, that is be prepared. And then green means go. Okay students, so now we have learnt about our signals and we are going to learn about the road safety rules. So what are all the road safety rules? So the first rule is know your signals. So we must know the signals correctly and properly. Okay, what are all the signals we have learned? That is red, amber and then green. So if it is red color, what we want to do? We want to stop the vehicle. We want to stay there. Okay. And if it is amber, what we want to do? We want to be prepared. We want to be prepared to move. Okay. And then green. So green means we can start moving. So these are all the signals. Okay. So this is the first point. And then the second point, that is stop, look and cross. So if we want to cross the road, if we want to move to the next side, to the opposite side, what we want to do first? We want to stop. We want to look whether any vehicle is moving or not, and then we want to cross. So we want to stop. We want to look whether the vehicles are crossing or not. If there is no vehicle, then we can cross. That is stop, look and cross. Clear children? And then pay attention, listen. So we must pay attention. We must listen to the signals. Clear? And then the fourth point is don't run on roads. So while we are traveling in a vehicle or else we are through walking, we should not run. Don't run on roads. Always use sidewalks. What do you mean by sidewalks? Have you heard this word sidewalks? So if we are walking on the road, we must use the sidewalks. Sidewalk means we should walk on the corner of the road. Okay, and the next thing is never stick hands outside. So imagine if we are traveling in a vehicle like a bus. Okay, we should not project our body parts outside the vehicle. We should not stick our hands outside the vehicle. And the next point is never cross at bends. What do you mean by bends? So if there is a turning, okay, if there is a turning, we should not cross the road at bends. We should not cross the road in the turning point. Clear? And then the next point is don't rush. While walking on the road, we should not be hurry. We should not rush up. Okay, and the next point is keep left. While walking on the road, which direction we want to walk? We want to walk in the left side, so we should keep left. And then the last point is crossing at zebra line. If we want to cross the road, we must use the zebra line. Have you heard about this zebra line? Can you see this picture? So this is known as zebra crossing. See how people are crossing here. If they want to move from one place to another, we must use the zebra crossing line. So zebra crossing means, see the line how it is white in color and then black, white and then black. So this line is known as zebra crossing line. And if we want to move from one place to another, we must use this line. We must cross in this line.